Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd give you all some cleaning motivation with a pre-Christmas speed clean. As you may know, I'm currently heavily pregnant, so I'm just going to see how much I can get done, so let's get into it. Starting off in the kitchen, the first thing I do is pack away the dry dishes. Once this is done, I clear any rubbish off the sides and then make a start on washing the next load of dishes. It just feels like it's a never-ending task. Starting off with the slow cooker, I then move on to the other items. Whilst those are drying, it's time to crack on with the rest of the kitchen. Starting off with my Dave duster, if you know you know. I dust off the items on the top of the fridge as well as the top of the fridge itself. I then move on to dusting the kitchen cupboards before getting an anti-bac wipe for the fridge and cupboard door handles. Excuse my bump popping out in these next clips, it just feels like nothing fits me at the moment. A quick spritz of the sides and cooker top with some anti-bac spray, and then I'm just going to wipe it all down. Then it's time to sort the other side of the kitchen out, starting with the table. This just becomes a bit of a dumping ground, so I tidy it all away where it needs to go, before wiping it down with an anti-bac wipe. Then I fold up the dry washing and move the air and dehumidifier temporarily out of the way. I've got some decorative pieces on the windowsill, so I'm just going to give these a quick dust as well as the door. A quick empty of the dehumidifier, and then it's time to give the floor a quick hoover and mop. A load of washing is just finished, so it's back out with the clothes airer and dehumidifier. This really helps to dry the clothes so much quicker. Have you even cleaned a room if you don't light a candle at the end? I'm in love with the Flame Game Candle Company wax melts at the moment, which I'll leave a link to down below. It's then time to tackle the living room. Firstly, I've got a box full of fitness and Nintendo Wii stuff that I need to go through and find homes for. Then I give the desk a quick tidy before giving it a dust. I've also left a man pile for Ash to go through when he finishes work. Back to dusting, I start with the door and then go onto the radiator and units before giving the room a quick hoover. A quick sit down but not to rest. I clean the controllers with an anti-bac wipe and just give the sofa a quick once over with some Febreze. There's not much to do in the hallway, but the basket needs a quick tidy, so I'm just sitting down to do that and to tidy up my trainers too. The white ones are broken, so they need to go in the bin. I then dust the doors, radiator and skirting boards because this area gets dusty so quickly. I use an anti-bac wipe on the front door before hoovering and mopping. Finally, a once over with some Febreze on the curtain, mat and coats. Onto the bathroom, my least favourite room in the flat. Starting with the toilet, I use a good amount of bleach and get scrubbing before using anti-bac wipes on the rest of the toilet. Then I turn my attention to the sink area and make it sparkle. I did also clean the mirror above but forgot to adjust the camera. I've got a few knickknacks on the windowsill that need a little dust, so I quickly do that. Then it's on to my favourite hack for the bathroom. I fill a Dishmatic with bathroom cleaner and a little bit of water. This is perfect for cleaning the tiles in the shower. It does work better if you do it after a shower when the tiles are damp, but obviously I'm not going to show that in a video. Once I've done that, I dry them using my Karcher window vac. Once I step out of the bath, I do also clean the bath using the Dishmatic, but the footage I took of this was just a horrible angle of me, so I'm not going to include it in this video. Another candle lit, and it's time to move on to the bedroom. Starting with hanging my dressing gown and folding my pyjamas so that I can make the bed. With all my pregnancy pillows, it just never looks its best. I then clear out the rubbish from my midnight snacks and some old squash before spraying the bed with Febreze. A quick dust and putting my blanket on the bed brings me to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again on Friday with the first Vlogmas video of 2023.